We made slime.
It's so dark. Why does?
Because the lighting of the earth. It's stupid.
We made slime.
What the heck?
How did we make slime? I forget.
Yeah, well, it's gain and glue and pink and red food coloring for his one, my brother, and green and yellow food coloring for this one. But we can't show you how to make it.
Because our mom caught us.
Yeah, our mom caught us, and we're in big
told
trouble.
you how to make it.
So, yeah, and this is slime.
Oh, and
you want
food coloring.
Yeah, I said that.
Any food coloring.
No, pink and red for yours one, green and yellow for this one.
It doesn't have to be those colors.
I know. But, guys, hear this. Okay. I believe what you're slime. Oh wait, get the cups.
Okay, I got
This is not our cups, but we made this slime. Wait, don't. Here, hold this slime. Don't mix them up together. It's gonna get. Hold it with the other hand. Don't mix them up. Okay, stop. I have to take off this sticker. They're gonna know we didn't make it. I have to take it off.
We made it.
Yep, we made it. Just wait.
So,
Just wait.
you need a bowl to put the water in.
There's no water.
Oh, I thought. Wait, you need the bowl to put the glue inside. Like any bowl.
There's only a
but
little
not
bit water.
But not small bowl.
We put a giant sticker on it, but now we're taking it off. We're taking off the giant sticker. What was that?
I'm a slimer.
I got a slime. Wait, I got a slime. I got a buddy, but
No,
I got a slimy butt.
yellow slime. I got a pink slime. Pink. Yellow slime. I don't know.
Shoot!
We bought the cups. The 2 cups.
Yeah, to make them.
Sounds like a horse galloping.
Yeah, so we're gonna throw away these cups. Goodbye. You can show you one. Pass me my slime. Ew, that's poisonous.
Then why are you touching it?
You can't go on your face though. Ah! I got a pen. I got a pear. Oh, pear.
Pear pen. I got a man. Just kidding.
Okay.
This thing is stretchy. Look how thick it gets.